If you've ever tried to get out of bed and felt that stiff ache in your knees, or that dull, grinding pain in your shoulders when you reach for your coffee mug, you're not alone. As we get older, joint pain seems to creep in quietly and stay longer than it should. But here's the good news. There are natural, science-backed supplements that can bring real relief and help you move with ease again. Today, we'll talk about the top 5 supplements for joint pain relief and how they can make your everyday life a little more comfortable, one step at a time. Joint pain affects millions of older adults across the United States. Whether it's osteoarthritis, stiffness from years of activity, or just natural wear and tear, it can make simple things like taking a walk or climbing stairs feel challenging. But the right supplements can help reduce inflammation, protect cartilage, and even improve flexibility. Now, supplements aren't magic pills. They work best when paired with good habits like staying active and eating well. But many seniors have found that the right combination can make a world of difference. So let's explore these 5 natural helpers, what they do, why they work, and how you can safely include them in your routine. 1. Glucosamine and chondroitin, the classic duo for joint support. Let's start with the pair that's been around for decades, glucosamine and chondroitin. These two are like the building blocks of your cartilage, that soft, cushiony tissue that keeps your joints moving smoothly. As we age, our body produces less of them. That's when joints start to feel stiff or painful. Taking these supplements may help slow that breakdown and reduce discomfort, especially in the knees. For example, many seniors in long-term studies found that daily glucosamine helped them walk longer distances without as much pain. If you decide to try it, it often takes a few weeks to notice improvement, so patience is key. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids, nature's anti-inflammatory. Next up, omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil or algae-based supplements. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your joints. Think of inflammation like a small fire inside your knees or fingers. Omega-3s act like water, helping cool that fire down. One woman I spoke with, a retired teacher in Florida, said she noticed her hands didn't ache as much when grading papers after adding a fish oil supplement to her breakfast routine. And the best part? Omega-3s are also great for your heart and brain. If you don't eat fatty fish like salmon or sardines at least twice a week, an omega-3 supplement can be a wonderful addition. 3. Turmeric or curcumin, the golden spice of relief. Now here's something most people don't realize. Your spice rack might already hold one of the best natural remedies for joint pain, turmeric. The key ingredient, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, almost comparable to some pain medications, but without the harsh side effects. Turmeric works best when taken with black pepper extract or piperine, which helps your body absorb it better. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of turmeric tea, or taking a high-quality curcumin capsule after breakfast. Over time, it can help your joints feel looser, your steps lighter, and your movements more natural. 4. MSM, or methyl sulfonylmethane, the flexibility booster. Here's one supplement that doesn't get as much attention but can make a big difference. MSM, short for methyl sulfonylmethane. It's a natural compound found in some fruits, vegetables, and grains, and it helps reduce inflammation while improving flexibility. Some seniors describe it as the comfort supplement because it makes moving less stiff and more fluid. It works beautifully alongside glucosamine and chondroitin, forming a team that supports healthy joints from multiple angles. If you wake up feeling like your joints are rusty, MSM might just be the gentle oil they need. 5. Collagen, the strength behind smooth movement. And finally, we have collagen, one of the most important proteins in your body. It helps form cartilage, ligaments, and tendons, basically all of the structures that keep your joints stable. As we age, our natural collagen levels drop. That's one reason our skin wrinkles and joints become weaker. Taking hydrolyzed collagen peptides can help strengthen those tissues and reduce stiffness. Some people mix it into their morning coffee or smoothie. It's tasteless and easy to use. Many seniors report feeling less creaky after a few months of consistent use. Bonus tip: vitamin D and magnesium. Before we move to our summary, here's a quick bonus. If you often feel tired or your joints ache in cold weather, low vitamin D might be part of the reason. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and keeps bones strong, while magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Together, they form a powerful support team for your joints. A little sunshine or a simple daily supplement can go a long way. So, let's quickly recap. Glucosamine and chondroitin help rebuild cartilage. Omega-3s calm inflammation. Turmeric brings natural pain relief. MSM boosts flexibility. And collagen supports strength and structure. With a little help from vitamin D and magnesium, your joints can stay strong and mobile for years to come. Remember, the goal isn't just to relieve pain. It's to help you move freely, live fully, and enjoy every moment, whether that's walking your dog, gardening, or dancing at your grandchild's wedding. Consistency is key. These supplements take time to work, but the reward is worth it. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to join our growing community. Click subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with a friend or family member who might also need a little joint relief. I share simple, science-backed tips every week to help you stay strong, healthy, and happy at any age. Take care of yourself, keep moving gently, and remember, every small step towards better health is a step towards a brighter tomorrow.